Hi, welcome to DCS Lab. So, along with the AI and computer systems topics that we have been covering, we have decided that we will also be covering the SQL databases and data engineering concepts. So, joining me in this series is Pragya, my wife, and a data engineer who will be contributing videos on data engineering and SQL interview preparations. So, in today's video, she will work through the solution to lead code to problem number 176, second highest salary, and she will not only explain the query but will also show you the reasoning behind it. So mostly in this entire SQL series, both of us would be collaborating together and help you understand the concepts.
Hi everyone. So we will starting with the first question, that is second highest salary. So we have to find the second distinct highest salary from the employee table. And if there is no second highest salary, we have to then return null. So if we go through the input table, which is employee table, we are seeing there are two columns, ID and salary, and we have to find the second highest salary, which is 200, right? Now, if I go through the second example, there is only one salary. There is no second highest salary, so we have to return none. Now, whenever you are saying this second highest salary or nth highest salary, just remember we have two window functions, which is rank and dense rank, right? So we have two functions. This is rank and dense rank. Now, what is the difference between this rank and dense rank? So, if I consider I have one column, that is salary column, and in that I have this many rows: 100, 100, 200, 300, 300, 400, right? And the same we have 100, 100, 200, 300, 300, 400, right? Now, in case of rank function, when we use rank, what would be the output? It would be 1, 1, 3, 4, 4, 6, right? So we are skipping here 2 and 5, right? But in case of dense rank, the output would be 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. So we are not skipping any number, right? So this is the difference between dense rank and rank. Now, we'll go through the solution of this. Okay. Now we'll write select salary, comma rank over order by salary descending, as we have to find the second highest salary, and rank from employee. Okay, I'll just submit this. This is not the final solution. This is the intermediate solution. And we'll see our test cases like what this query written, right? So in the first case, you can see we have 300 as the highest solution, as the highest salary. 200 is the second highest and 100 is the third highest, right? So now we can see, like when we write this query, we get this output, right? Now it's simple, right? Wherever the rank is 2, we have to just extract that column, right? Now we'll use the city function, cts select salary, and we have to use an alias with second highest salary. We'll just copy from your from city, right? And we have to just extract that row where rank is equal to 2. Okay, now we'll again test it first. Okay, now you can see the test case 1 is correct, but case 2, case 3, and case 4, they are not giving the correct output, right? So here we want null, but null is not there. Case 3 also we are not getting any output. Okay. Case 4, here we can see that when we have this 100 times, we are getting two rows, but we just need one row, right? So what you can do for this test case, you can just write max, right? Because when you write max of salary, we'll just get one row, right? That from there we can just get one row. Okay. Again, we'll submit it. Okay. Now you can see case 2 is also passed, case 4 is also passed. We are just getting one row. Now, why this case 3 is giving us null? Although we can see the second highest is 100, right? Because 300 is the highest salary and 100 is the second highest. So instead of 100, we are getting null. Why is that? So, okay, I'll just copy this. We'll see the output of the query which we have written first. I'll comment it out. Now we'll see the output of. So in case C, we were getting an issue. So here you can see, as we have used rank function, this is eliminating this 2, right? It is keeping that 2. So that's why when we write this rank is equal to 2, there is no row where the rank is 2, right? So that's why it was giving none. So what we can figure out from here, instead of using rank, we have to use dense rank because we don't have to skip any of the numbers, right? So if I use dense rank, and if you can see now case 3, we have 1, 1, 2. It is not skipping any number, right? So instead of rank, we have to use dense rank, right? So in interviews also, like you will face this question, what is the difference between rank and dense rank? So it's very important that you know the difference between them. Also, we have their row number. You can check that as well. It's just a row 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't have any this rank and dense rank function. So our solution is correct. It has passed all the test cases. Now we have the similar question in lead code. If you go this 77 free SQL lead code, this is the nth highest salary. So the solution is exactly the same. Instead of 2, you just have to write n and the solution will be passed. Okay, guys, so we'll meet in the next videos. So thank you.